Nationwide Industries proudly presents our revolutionary all-in-one gate hardware kits. Eliminate the confusion when you're in search of compatible hinges and latches for your fence or gate. Nationwide Industries gate hardware kits bundle everything you need for hassle-free installation every time. Featuring our patented latches and hinges, each gate hardware kit is especially tailored to your needs, no matter the fence material. Say goodbye to complex installations. No special tools required. Whether it's wood, metal, vinyl, or more, the Nationwide gate hardware kits not only save you time and stress, but also ensure your project is completed effortlessly. Simplify your gate upgrade today. Visit nationwideindustries.com/gatekits to browse all 8 of our conveniently packaged kits.